Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are going to draw a cute monkey. Let's start! First, draw two big round eyes. Next, draw a small nose. Now, draw a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the monkey's face. Great! Now draw two round ears. Now draw the monkey's body and legs. Next, draw a curly tail. Let's add some grass on the ground. Now let's color our monkey. Color the cheeks light pink. Color the face and tummy light brown or cream. The body brown. Color the inside of the ears pink. Now add some dark brown shading on the body. Color the grass green. This will make the monkey look more soft and beautiful. Wow! Great job! Your monkey looks so cute and funny. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Kids Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next drawing. Bye!